In this video, I'm going to be installing the Kanguri crossbar roof racks on my wife's 2016 Nissan Rogue. These crossbars are rated for 300 pounds, and because I've installed them previously on my own vehicle, I can say that pretty much anybody can do it. So let's have a look in the box. So just having a look here, you can see that everything comes nice and bubble wrapped and protected. These look like the bars here. We've got an instruction manual here and an accessory bag. We'll have a closer look at that in a little bit. There's a look at everything you got, and everything is clearly labeled too. These connect right to your rails in the car, and you can see left, right, and same with on the bars too. This one is for the rear, and this one is for the front. So here's everything that was in the accessory bag. We've got the tools to install it. These are 2 Allen wrenches here. This is the keys because this locks, and there are some spare parts here, a couple of spare bolts and a spare washer. And of course it comes with installation instructions as well, and there are 8 steps altogether. And so just testing out the lock, each one of these has one. Just insert, and then it just goes back in as well. And I really like the idea of these locking on because you're always hearing about crossbars going missing, and this is really going to help. I'll show you how it works on the car a little bit later. So one thing you're going to notice about these bars is that one end is thicker than the other, and what that does is it helps this create less noise when you're on the highway. It's more aerodynamic. And you'll notice that on each end of the bars there are screws there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take those off. Okay, so on this piece here, you're going to see that there's a wider end and a thinner end, and that is where our bar is going to fit on there. Now you can see where I took the bolts out of there. This is going to be able to slide back and forth. So here we're going to put a washer in here, and then a bolt. Do that up. So there you can see it's on and it slides back and forth, and that way it's going to be able to adjust to your car size. I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of these on now. So I've got these all on and they're adjustable, so let's get over to the car and install them. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to unlock this and take this out. Now here you're going to see this bolt, and we're going to loosen that bolt. And by loosening this bolt here, you can see that loosens the clamp here, and this is what's going to clamp onto the side rails on the car. So you don't want to loosen this bolt all the way, but you do want to loosen it enough where it can slide on the bar here like that. You see how that goes on there? And then we're just going to tighten that up. We're not going to tighten it up all the way right away because we need to be able to get the other side on. Okay, so now I'm on the other side, and I've loosened this already here, and the other side of course is still a little bit loose. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to slide this over here, and there you go. And that's why you want both sides loose, so that you can have room to maneuver. And then we can go ahead and tighten this up. So here's the anti-theft part. Use this bolt to tighten this on here, and then you put this part back on, and there's the key. And that way this isn't going to go missing. Now we can make sure that we're lined up with the other side and go ahead and tighten this one up. And so you'll notice this is still sliding back and forth, and that's because we haven't tightened these little bolts under here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I just got the other side tightened, and you can see it's nice and sturdy. There you can see I got them on, and I think I might have even got them on straight. A couple of quick things I want to point out is that right here, this is all rubber, so it really grabs onto the railing tightly. And then here, these are tie down loops, so that if you have a load on here and you want to run rope, you can tie down whatever you want. The loops are on all 4 of these. And of course you'll be able to space these out as you want. And that's the insulation for the roof rack crossbars from Kanguri, 300 pounds, and I know they're really going to come in handy for us.